Today we're going to show you how to open a TikTok ad account without taxes, and is it really possible? Today we're going to clear up all the confusion. Let's get started. Look, our account is fully verified, and it's double verified, meaning it's verified twice. Now we're going to show you if there are any fees to add dollars to this account. Let's show you in real life. Look, we're going to add $10. Look, there's no fee. This way, if you get an account from us, you can run ads without paying any additional taxes. For more details, contact us on WhatsApp +8 801 400 933 707.